Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Joan Manzano, 38 years old, happily married from Difun, Quirino, Philippines. I have two kids, ages 16 years old and 9 years old. I am a college undergraduate taking a Bachelor of Science in Home Technology. I have two sisters and I am the second child. My hobbies are playing sports, gardening, and reading books. I am honest, responsible, patient, trustworthy, and cheerful person. I work as a domestic helper in Dubai for 3 years. I serve for members of the family, 2 adults and 2 kids. My main duties are cleaning the house, marketing, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, tutoring the kids, and drop off and pick up in the school. My second work experience as a domestic helper was in Hong Kong for 1 year and 1 month. I served 3 members of the family, 2 adults and 1 baby. My main duties are cleaning the house, cooking, marketing, ironing the clothes, washing clothes, and taking care of the baby. I hope you will hire me as your helper. I will promise I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I will assure you that I will treat your family as my own. And I'm willing to renew my contract as long as you need my service. Thank you and God bless.